Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be checking out Zombiehood. So this is a side-scrolling shooter where we're shooting zombies. I think it's also a roguelike. It's probably a roguelike. You know me, I like my freaking roguelikes. Okay, first let's check the settings. That's all the settings this game supports. There is no language settings. At least we have audio settings here. I don't know what's decal lifespan. Let's just start. I think I have played the demo of this game. Oh yeah, I think I have played this game. Neighborhood watch, passive healing, short levels, fewer enemies, more time to explore and scavenge. Neighborhood. Let's check the armory. Do I have money? No. That's the meta progression, by the way. What about skills? Do you have any skills? We have no freaking skills. Okay, let's go. You know what? I think I have played this game. Wait, what about here? Random event. You know what? Let's just go for a normal infected run. Oh, nice. Yep, I definitely remember playing the demo of this game. By the way, this is the full version. Interact, dodge is up. What do you mean dodge? Alt is a flashlight. Okay, at least the handgun. We have also F. We have a knife. Oh, I hate it when they're in the freaking door. Oh, this one is armored. So you should always aim for the head. I got a freaking knife. Increase dodge speed. I don't even know how to freaking dodge. Oh, that's a dodge. Oh. Okay. So it's a literal dodge roll. Now, since we have infinite ammo. Okay. Infinite ammo on the handgun. I'm gonna spray and pray. I'm not sure if the zombies can go down. Can we shoot them through the door? Floor. Prioritize when using 3D printers. Wait, can we print 3D print weapons? Is there anything up here? Oh. Great. By the way, I have not leveled up yet. So we do have a jump. A rubber ball increase projectile speed. Come on. I tried using the knife. It's not worth it. Sometimes they have like underground area. Are you gonna fall down again? No. Bar of soap reduces duration of zombie tracks. So I guess the zombie can't smell me anymore. Oh, this is the area where, with the underground. Hopefully nothing is down here. Hopefully we get like a prepper underground base. Oh, it's healing. But I didn't take any damage yet. Of course, there's nothing on the outhouse. Why is there no freaking weapons? We're not finding anything good. Wait, is this gun automatic? No. Oh, there's zombies behind me. Locker. Big. It's a shotgun gun, I guess. Wait, do we have infinite ammo? No, it's not infinite ammo. It uses like pistol. Ooh, we got a P90. Phantom 90. Snow globe gently freezes everything nearby. Oh. Is it like a consumable thing? I'm gonna save that. We're just gonna use the handgun. Because the handgun has infinite ammo. Let's go here in another infected zone. You know what? Let's go for the event. Random event. Hawk break. Sacrifice 30% health. Okay. So what did you give me? Money shot. Okay. That's worth it. We have a boomstick. We got a freaking boomstick. Okay, can I go towards the skull? I wanna try the gun. I'm gonna swap my my other handgun. Oh my god, it shoots both barrel at once. It's super effective. Get another submachine gun. Is the Havoc 9 better? What about, is it better than this one? It has less damage. You know what? We're just gonna keep that one. We are just gonna keep reduce melee damage taken. Nice. Finger gloves. Landing no longer cancel reload. Oh, we found some healing. Let's just save ammo. Wait, what's the big head for? Oh, they have armor. Another ship. Increase projectile speed. I guess they just stuck. You know what? So far, I have not found anything good on the outhouse. Nothing good so far, and we still have not leveled up yet. You know what? Let's just clear the first floor. You know, at least the helmet has a durability, so we can just shoot it. Nothing but money. Not good thing they're just still level 3. By the way, we still have not leveled up yet. Wait, we can break the doors. Reload faster. There's... You know what? Let's try the grenade. I'm gonna try the grenade. Oop. Wait, the grenade is just on cooldown? God damn it. Grenade is just on cooldown. Oh, it's a literal snowball. So our grenade is just a snowball. Nothing on the fridge. I think we should use the boomstick now. Nicotine patch, increase reload speed. Yeah, we should use the... We level up. We finally level up. What is this right here? A safe zone. Ah, this is where we trade. Healing is $200. I guess that's America for you. What about you? I think we can steal their guns. So the brick. Gravity's most hottest weapon. Guaranteed bonk. Can we sell our gun? It's the money shot. Can we sell our gun? I wanna sell the gun. Where do I sell the gun? Can I sell the gun to you? Okay, we can buy light ammo. Medium ammo. The shotgun uses medium ammo. $140. You know what? Fine. 20 for 140. What about the light ammo? Not fine. Let's buy We have a lot of light ammo now. I think we are looking for the exit. Oh, it's a gun store. Striker 12. That's definitely Saiga 12. What is this? A curved dragon. It's a curved dragon of. Oh, it gives us XP. No, the random event is probably good. Let's go to the random event. I think we're supposed to look for an hideout. Air shoes. Increase jump speed, increase jump speed. Okay, let's go down here. I can already hear the zombies. Hopefully it's only using like one ammo for a shot. So I'm not really sure. Ouch. A bear trap? Yeah, the bear trap is probably good, but it takes a while to deploy. Ooh, get a sniper. You know what? This is probably a lot better than the shotgun. It still uses the medium ammo. And it's a lot more accurate. Extended mag. Ouch. Can I shoot you from down here? I can. Oh, okay. We have 2 shots for the shotgun now. Because we have the extended mag. It's just all XP. Latex gloves. Sliding no longer cancel reloads. I need to conserve ammo. See, all you need is a boomstick. Reduce melee damage taken. Okay, we are out of medium ammo. We are out of medium ammo. nice. Meds. Ooh, what is this? Is this the same? That's the same freaking gun. Okay, nice. We have healing. I need ammo. What about this one? I think this one is better. But it's also semi-auto. Oh, it's piercing. That's gonna make it very ammo efficient. Not even the normal zombie have armor now. Yes, that zombie doesn't have a head. Oh, it breaks armor. We have armor piercing. It's fine. It's only light ammo. Baby oil. 9% evade for the melee attacks. I think I'm gonna remove my boomstick. Okay. We need to kill that thing before it gets close next time. It's all money. I should have used the rifle. We're just gonna use the free gun. This is free ammo. Oh, okay. Is this stronger than my P90? Nope. Can I swap it with this gun? No, no, no. Oh, god damn it. Okay, good thing we have healing. It was one of those explodey boys. Rollerblades. Increase movement speed. Yeah, they are never close to the window. I like this gun. It's armor piercing. Perfect for the armor dudes. I dropped my gun. If I can cheese them from here, I'm gonna cheese them from here. Come on. I didn't know they can go down. Another bar of soap. I didn't know they can freaking use the ladders. Well, there were a lot of them. Really. A balloon reduces gravity effects. So I guess you can jump higher. You know what? Let's go towards the skull. Maybe we need to destroy the skull. I'm not really sure. That's a big ass hole. We can one hit the explodey boys. I don't like the speedy one. But how do we go up there? I cannot jump that high. Okay, maybe this way. Come on. Yep, that was ammo well spent. There was a lot of them. Handheld fan enemies suffer 11% extra knockback when hit. Wait. Did I buy that one? Oh, that's from the 3D printer. Sacrifice artifact common. Oh no. Ooh, what is this? Is this the same gun that I have? Yep. It's the same gun. So that's a 3D printer. Is there anything here? No. Can still hear zombies. I killed the back unit first. When in doubt, just use the P90. Wait, is there another way down? I think there's another way down. It goes deeper. Oh my god. Can I grenade down there? Come on, climb. Let's just hope this area is worth it. Oh my god, it goes deeper. There's more of them? Let me just check this thing. There's nothing. I think it only gave me. Oh, I didn't see there. Only gave me ammo, I think. I see. So that's why I was hitting more enemies. Okay, so it's mostly healing. Wait, is there a door over here? Nope. Oh my god, that's a lot of zombies. Where are they coming from behind now? I'm just gonna use the rifle. The shotgun is good, but I need accuracy because I don't have a lot of ammo. Oh, that's new. What do you do? Oh, you're armored. I'm gonna run out of ammo. Increase loot attraction. You know what? Good thing we have. Oh no, it's another one of those things. We need to conserve ammo. Another handheld fan. We are officially out of ammo. He died from fall damage. Is this worth it? Ouch. He is very tanky. I think there's fall damage. I'm not gonna risk it. We are officially out of ammo. I wanna kill this big guy. Oh no, I think this is where we die. Oh my god, there's... We're dead. It's fine, it's a roguelike. We should be able to upgrade stuff now. We have P6. That's for the handgun, right? Increased damage for handguns. Improve handling. Headshot against unarmored targets deal more damage, I guess. Increased damage for submachine gun. Reduce bullet spread. Ooh, extra magazine capacity. Just for 1P. Uh, reload rocket? Reduce the time it takes to reload by... It's fine. Decrease hammer. Hammer time for single action pistols. Best bud. Artifact also affect the trusty 9. How do we get this one? Increase damage against armored by when penetrating fails and brute force perseveres. Yeah, we need that one. Improve recoils. Stun, reducing weapon kickback. Suppressive power. Increased damage for all assault rifles. This is for increasing damage right here. Explosion effectiveness. Titan spread. That's for the shotgun. Add a chance to fire an additional bullet per shot. Is this only for the shotgun? Amplify area effect damage. Damage by handgun. You know what? That's 2P. Headshot against unarmored. Reduce bullet spread is probably good. Okay. That's... Can we get some skills? Do we have... We have 3 SP. Health regeneration. Sounds nice. Increase the base max HP. Reduce explosive damage. Decrease melee damage. That's also good. Increase movement speed. Increase dodge roll. Scent marker is probably good. Reduce equipment cooldowns. Vital scavenger. Add more health from loot. Increase ammo gain from loot. Yes. Yes, pass the ammunition. More experience from loot. More money. I think the ghosts shorten the scent marker. The XP is also probably good. Yeah, let's get the XP. At least we have skills now. Ooh, it gave us a freaking single action pistol. So it's one of those cowboy pistols with a ridiculously long barrel. Wait, it's a medium gun. I wanna go towards the skull. Okay, there's still level 1. I think we should just use our free handgun. Wait, there's nothing here. Okay, we should save our armor piercing gun for the armored units. I think we should just max the handgun damage. That's for the trusty 9. Got another basement down here. Finger gloves. Oh, we got the snowball again. You know what? I think we should just level up as much as we can on the first few levels. Ouch. We're not gonna use the other gun. We're gonna save them for the harder areas. Reduce melee damage taken by 1. And we also got some healing. I think this is just the exit. Yep, that's the exit. I hate it. I really hate it when they're on the freaking door. Okay, we got more light. Hopefully we get the P90 again. We need more accuracy. A freaking brick. Oh, that's the freaking grenade. Let me try. Okay. Wait, it's a low. It has a very low cooldown. Reduce bullet spread. Nice. The brick has a very low cooldown. Okay, we should use the brick first before the gun. Extra barrel increase the weapon shot count by 1. Reduce damage of the weapon projectile. What do you mean? Does it shoot 2 bullets now? Still shoots 1. Maybe the other gun? Still 1. Okay, let's get towards the skull. It's a free zone. I mean a safe zone. We should buy guns here. We have a freaking machine gun. Iron bore. We have a thumper. That's about right. I want the machine gun, but I'm so broke. Just buy ammo, I guess. Light ammo? No. More medium ammo. And some light ammo. Wait. Do they get expensive? No, we're just broke. Defense trail. Wait, do we need to defend this area? The brothers? Why can't I open the chest? Looks safe enough. Activate the computer. Okay, it's a wave. Oh, nice. We can just one hit. We can just one hit the armored units. If I can save ammo, I'm gonna try to save ammo. There's no point saving ammo if you're dead. How's the reload of this gun? Looks like it's one shot per... I mean, one kill per shot. We have 100 of this thing. Can I open this thing? As long as we aim for the head, I think we're gonna be good. But we're also gonna try to save as much ammo as we can. Is there more? As long as there's no runners, I think we're gonna be good. How many waves do we need to survive? Ouch. I'm dead. Yeah, we should have get like more submachine guns. Let me get better skills. That's more healing. That's more money. You know what? Give me more money. Armory. How many? We have 3P again. Improve handling. Decrease the time it takes to switch pistols. Yeah. Reduce bullet spread for the accuracy. More damage against things. Increase damage against armor by 2. Improve your stance, reducing weapon knockback. Oh, this one is good. Adds a chance for each projectile to penetrate additional enemies. Yes, please. Reduce projectile spread for more precise long-range shot. Is this only for the shotgun? Oh, that's only for the rifle, I guess. Yeah, reduce hammer cocking time. How do we get this right here? 1B. At least we got like more ammo. And also more XP. So that's a wave-based defense. We're gonna try that again. We just need more guns. I think I should try to get more of the headshot damage. More headshot damage bonus. No, I did not see the freaking pierce. Maybe the level 1 is just very low pierce. Maybe it's only for the rifles. Reduce explosive damage. Oh, it's a filament wire for the 3D printer. Wait, they didn't give us a free gun this time? Bumblebee? It's better than my gun. It's another light ammo. You know what? I wish we can see like bullet numbers. You know what? Let's just use the free gun. Free gun is free gun. I think I should get like more pistol damage. Sledgehammer. Okay. I don't like doing melee attacks actually. Can I break the door? No. But I killed the enemy behind the door. There's a firecracker in the freaking fridge. Oh, nice. Got another baking tray. Okay, so food items heal. Ooh, we got a rifle, a machine gun. We are gonna remove that other gun. Oh, it's a burst fire. No, it just shoots really fast. It's not a burst fire. It's a freaking machine gun. It's an AR. You know what? It's still like level 2. We're gonna save ammo. If we can save ammo, we're gonna freaking save ammo. I saw the crack. Approaching closed door or window reveals room. We can take a peek now. Oh my god, you're armored. Oh, oh, so that's how the room picking works. No more surprise. No more surprise on the freaking door. Get a crossbow? Okay, that's our highest damage weapon so far. I wanna try this crossbow. I wanna know how much damage it does. Oh, it's one of those sacrifice thing again. Give me a gun. Devil horns? Why about half of the horde in one spook? Oh, it's a freaking grenade? How does it work? I need healing. Oh. I see, so that's how it works. The cooldown is so freaking long. Okay, the reload for the rifle is also long. This one has spears. Uh what about this one? There's volley. This one has a higher DPS. This one has more damage. I'm gonna get rid of the pistol. So we're gonna use this for the armored units. I need to buy more light ammo. Can I go here? Actually, we could just remove the crossbow. This rifle deals more damage anyway. No, I think the crossbow deals more damage. Got another filament. But this one is armor piercing. We got an AK. Okay. It is a lot worse than the AR. Extended barrel reduces. Is it for everything or do I need to equip it on a single? No, I think it's for everything. Like the extra mag we got last time. Okay, let me see which one is better. Okay, this one has higher DPS, armor piercing. The crossbow deals more damage. Okay, we're gonna keep the crossbow. Crossbow deals more damage. This one is armor piercing. Headless zombie. Hopefully we get something here. More filament. But this time is green. What's the difference? It's a green filament. A fire axe. Swing once, let the gravity handle. Wanna see? Yeah, you know what? Sledgehammer is still better. We are still missing shots, but it's fine. It's a roguelike. Eventually, we're gonna be super freaking strong. Oh, you survived the sledgehammer. How do we go up? We got the brick. Oh, there's nothing here. I'm not gonna get the brick. We already have the demon horns. It kills 50% of the enemies. A glow stick? Why? Wait, does it kill like only on sight? Nice, double kill. God damn it, the freaking speedy. It's the goddamn speedy enemy. Okay, we only got like one skill. Reduce exploding damage, decrease melee damage, increase base HP, dodge roll. That's for healing more. I think we should get the damage reduction. We got 3 points again this time. You know what? Let's just get more handgun damage. And then let's just grab something. We have not played with a freaking... let's get assault rifle, I guess. Assault rifle damage. It's only 1 point anyway. Didn't even get that far this time. Okay, we should really get more rifle damage. I mean more handgun damage. Especially more headshot damage. Why is it sometimes they give us free guns? Got a bear trap. The problem with the bear trap, it is slow. Slow will deploy. But it's pretty good. You just need to deploy it early. Magnify fire debuff deals 50% extra damage to enemies. Fire. I wanna see the wait, it only destroys their leg. You know what? The cooldown is pretty quick anyway. Got a fire axe. That's better than my handgun. Wait, is there more? Okay. There was XP right there. I'm gonna get more magazine, I guess, next time. No, more accuracy and more headshot damage. Got a boomstick. Got a glow stick. We don't need the glow stick. You know what? We're gonna save. We're gonna save our medium ammo. We don't have a lot of them anyway. Come on, anything else? Nothing. Okay, so that's the only use for the bear trap. Just makes them crawl. You don't actually heal them. Oh, that's armored. Ooh, we got the machine gun. We got the freaking machine gun. Semi-auto rifle. Fine, we can grab the semi-auto rifle. It's not armor piercing, by the way. I think that's a mini 14. Yeah, it's a mini 14. It's like M14, but it's 5.56. I'm not sure if there's fall damage. Hopefully there's no fall damage. We're definitely gonna buy a lot of light ammo. Look here, zombie. Random event. I can hear zombie. You know what? This gun is not bad, but it's out of ammo also. A warden. It's a full auto. What about compared to this gun? Uh, Same damage. Same damage, but full auto magazine. This one has a lot better accuracy. Lower rate of fire. Now we're just gonna grab this one. They deal the same amount of damage anyway. I wanna do the skull. That's our oh shit gun, by the way. What? Let's try the gun right here. Oh yeah. So it just has less ammo. Extra barrel, increase weapon shot count by 1. Of course, we're gonna grab that one. It shoots 2 projectiles now. What about this one? Is it a specific? It's specific to the gun. We have explode the enemies now. Cover yourself with scent. Zombie. Confused zombie win life. Uh, maybe it will make them fight each other. I wanna see how it works. Oh, okay. So it just makes the enemy run away. That what it does. I really need more damage to armored. Bubblegum. Chance of impaling projectiles explode shortly after impaling. Yeah, the armored enemies are the problem. Oh, it's a boomstick. This is a better boomstick. There's a higher accuracy. But why am I gonna use a freaking blaster? The damage is even lower. It shoots extra projectiles. It's a freaking Nerf blaster. No. We're not gonna use a freaking Nerf blaster. It literally makes them run away. It must be some kind of a stinky perfume. I should really do headshots. Car freshener reduces how long zombies can track your scent. I miss. Let's hope we have a gun here. Is this better? It's a lower rate of fire. That's the only difference. It's a lower rate of fire. You know what? Lower rate of fire, better accuracy. Ooh, we got the AK. AK is... It's also light ammo. But this one has the perk, it shoots 2 projectile. Oh, this one is a burst fire. We're just gonna go for the AK. Can never go wrong with the AK. I need a gun for the heavy ammo. That's fine, let's do this. It's a threat level 4. Are they gonna fight for me? Or is it just gonna run away? It just ran away. We're gonna try to save as much ammo as we can. We level up. I don't know exactly what we're gonna get here. Okay, it's wave 2. Oh, it's the explodey boy. I think we died at the wave. I think it's wave 4. Last run. God, they're all armored. You know what? Good thing we got that perfume grenade. It actually helps. It freaking helps. Did they run away? Oh, I think I broke the game. They ran off screen and they're not here anymore. Oh no, that's a bug. I can still hear them. This is not armor piercing. God damn it. We got swarmed. At least we got like 4 points this time. Let's see. More ammo is always good. More health regen is also good. Hoarder wisdom. We're gonna get more ammo. And then here we have 4 points. We're gonna get one for each thing. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'm gonna end it right here. So this is Zombiehood. If you like side-scrolling zombie shooter, that is also a roguelike. Uh, this is the game for you. As always, the link is in the description. So like and subscribe. See you again next time. Bye, guys. GG.